Hello everyone, so today we are back with another informative video, and this time we will let you know what is the best platform to run the PPC ads for the roofing business. So now over the past 15 years we have ran various campaigns for the roofing industry. We have been running the campaigns for both Google and then the Facebook side of things. What we have seen is that on Google we target the visitor based upon their needs, so the keyword based campaign, and we have been targeting the specific theme of keyword that was actually bringing us good quality leads. So you don't need to target the keyword like roof repair or those things, because repairing does not mean that they want to replace the whole roof. So we need to be very selective in terms of the keyword that we want to target for our roofing client. For the Google side of things, what we have seen is that for some of the keywords based on the location that we target, so for example, we are targeting the location in Connecticut and there are some counties where we are targeting the ads. The cost per click ranges between $15 to $25. Yes, that is just for a click for the Google ads. That click is basically for the search campaign. So now when we try to run the similar keywords for the call only campaign, although with the call only campaign we have been able to see better conversion rate, but the cost per click will also be higher. What we have seen is, based on our history, what we have seen is the cost per click for the call only campaigns ranges between $40 to $50. The reason for that is once the visitor click on the call only ads and once they confirm to give the client a call, they are one step closer for bringing us the leads. So that is why Google charges a higher amount for a click for a call only ad. So now you can see based on our data, the cost per click ranges between $15 to $25 for the search campaign. For the call only, it is between $40 to $50. The conversion rate for the roofing business is around 10% to 15%, but when we have set up the campaigns using the new formats, we have been able to reduce the cost per click to $5 to $10 and still maintaining the quality of the search terms. Now on the Facebook side of things, what we have seen is, although we were getting good amount of leads, the cost per leads on Facebook ranges between $50 to $75, while on Google the cost per conversion was between $150 to $200. So on the Facebook side of things, we did try to run the Facebook lead ads. So now with the Facebook lead ads, we have been able to get good amount of leads, but the quality of the leads is questionable, because what we have seen is most of the times, that is almost 50% of the times, the quality of the leads from Facebook lead ads, the person says that they won't fill the form, so they may have accidentally clicked on the button. So that is why we can say that the quality of the Facebook leads can be questionable. Although the cost per click on Facebook is 1/2 or 1/3 to what we see on Google, the cost per lead also is around 1/2 to 1/3 to what we see on Google. So based on this, you can see that both Google and Facebook will be able to produce the leads, but as Google, we are targeting the visitor based upon their needs, so Google do have higher probability of getting the leads or getting high quality leads coming in. So if you have any PPC campaigns running for roofing and struggling to get the leads or struggling to get the revenue for your business, you can see your phone number, that is a WhatsApp number on the top right corner. You can click on that phone number or you can just message us on WhatsApp. There we will be able to answer your queries. If you have the campaign running, then we can get started with the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. Then on the other side of things, if you don't have any PPC campaigns running, then you can still contact us through WhatsApp. You can just send us the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting that you want to do. We can do some kind of research and then we'll be able to get back to you with the proposal on exactly what you can do to bring in some more leads for your business and to take your business to the next level.